I wanted to make a quick video about a brilliant new feature Kajabi just added. Longtime Kajabi users know that there's been a long-standing problem where, when a member already exists in your Kajabi contacts and they go to a checkout page and try to buy another product from you, if they are not logged into your website, they would have problems processing that transaction. This often leads to lost sales and extra customer support hassles. So to fix this, when you're editing the checkout page, Kajabi has changed the additional settings section. This is the new feature right here. Not all Kajabi accounts have this yet, but hopefully by the time you're watching this video, it will be enabled on your Kajabi account. If you click this radio button and click on save, notice there's no login link here, and the checkout page looks the same as it usually did. We've got another checkbox that will capture a password for new members who aren't already part of your contacts. I'm going to leave that unchecked to make the checkout page as simple as possible. And now I'll do test purchases for both an existing customer and a new customer, and we'll see how this new feature works. So I'm starting at elearningforprofit.com. I'm clicking on Get Instant Access, and notice the checkout form looks the same as it's always looked. When I put in the address of an existing member in my contacts, it tells me an account already exists with this email address. Is this you? Sign in. Notice there are two sign-in buttons, so I'll go ahead and click on this one. I'll provide my email and password and click on Submit. And notice it redirects me back to the checkout page. And that allows an existing customer to easily put in their credit card number and have this purchase associated with their existing account. So I've supplied my credit card details, and I'll click on Complete My Purchase. I'm directed to the My Library, and I now have the new product. Now I'm going to sign out and do the same demo as a new user. So notice I'm back at elearningforprofit.com. I'm not logged in. I'll click on Show Me How, Get Instant Access. I'm back on the same checkout page. Now I've added a new email address that does not exist in my contacts. So this represents a new customer who wouldn't need to log in to make a purchase. Notice I'm not asking for first name, password, or anything. I have the option to store that card for future purchases. And of course, I'm going to click on Subscribe to our email list to be added to the list. I'll click on Complete My Purchase. And now notice Kajabi is automatically asking for first name, last name, password, and verify password. This is what the new customer is going to need to use to log into their account. So I've provided those details. I'll click on Create Account. And again, I'm taken to My Library with the new product. So as you can see, this new feature on the additional settings section of the checkout page has solved a long-time problem for Kajabi users. If you're new to Kajabi or don't have as much knowledge and confidence as you want, I'd love it if you join us over at elearningforprofit.com and click here to access my amazing Kajabi Quick Start course. There are several customer reviews, and the course contains 7 hours of intuitive, beginner-friendly step-by-step video instruction where I'll teach you about settings and all the skills you need to confidently create your website, online course, sales page, and checkout page in a week or less. As a bonus, I'm including a hand-curated directory of high-earning Kajabi courses so you can get ideas and inspiration about Kajabi capabilities and, again, ideas to build your own website and course. I'm also including a reference page that contains all Kajabi section types so you can more easily imagine design options as you start working on your Kajabi pages like mine. If you want to learn Kajabi fast, elearningforprofit.com and the Kajabi Quick Start course is exactly what you need.